Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you have errors at Instagram request, so you can't log in into your Instagram account in your Instagram app, so how you can fix it. So first thing you need to try just close Instagram app from your multitask, so just close it and just open again. So this is the first thing. Another thing you need to try is just go to Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi and just check if you're successfully connected to Wi-Fi and also you have good internet connection. So if you're using mobile data, just try to turn it on and turn off and turn on again your mobile data. And also if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to restart your Wi-Fi router, because sometimes it can be caused by your Wi-Fi router. And also just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So if it doesn't help you, you can try just to restart your phone. So just go to general and just find hero shutdown, so just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So, if it doesn't help you too, you can also try the latest way. It's just made force restart on your phone. So how you can do it? So it also depends on model of iPhone you have, because on iPhone X11 and 12, you can also find in Google for your model of iPhone how you can make force restart. But I will tell you an example of iPhone X. So just tap on high volume button, then just after on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button. So just keep holding this button until you will see black screen. So just keep holding. So when you will see Apple logo, just release your finger from this button. So just release your finger from this button, it means that you successfully made force restart. So this is the way how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.